was trying to figure out a place to stay, and then I just booked an Airbnb. It looks something like this. Just got down from the cab, trying to find that Airbnb, and this place looks like a small locality full of cafes and restaurants and gift shop. Yeah, I think I found the Airbnb guy. I thought this place was just about cafes, but there are residential complex out here, so this building looks like more like residential areas. But I don't think you'll find car parking or bike parking in this kind of alleys. So here's the room. There's one small room right here, and just keep my luggage here. And here there's the kitchen. There's a fridge. There's one bottle in the freezer. That's like one solid ice. And I think these are the cutleries. We'll still have to check what's inside. This is the main bedroom. I think for one night it's okay, because I just need to get some rest after that 30 hours of bus ride. So I'll just get some rest here and then decide where to head next. So this is what really happened. I got inside the Airbnb, and I just checked in, and these are the pictures. And if you could see, all the pictures are photoshopped, but I don't know about you guys, but for me, when I check into a hotel or an Airbnb, I check for the bathroom, if the bathroom is clean, but it has got a weird smell, and that's the bathroom. It's pretty dirty, and when you turn this thing on, yeah, you are able to. Yeah, that's the scene here. Since I have already checked in, I would be able to get the money back, but I think I'm gonna pack my bags again and find another place. Things like that happens, I'm a little bummed out, to be honest, but now again I have to hunt for another place. Just got an auto and we're heading on to a different location. Hopefully this time I can find a better place to stay. Cruising down this small alley.
आदमी हूँ भाई, तुम ला रहे हो साथ में लेकर दूंगा फिर मैं।
Easy. उसका वो क्या अच्छा नहीं सब चला रहा था,
बदमाशी ओवरटेक कर रहा था।
हाँ, यहाँ पे बहुत रफ चलाते हैं आदमी लोग।
ओवरटेक।
आप पास में ही रहते हो?
अंदर घर है मेरा भाई, जहाँ से गाड़ी घुमाया था।
अच्छा।
मैं खाना खाने जा रहा था।
ओहो, सॉरी।
कोई बात नहीं भैया, कोई बात नहीं।
This is the washroom right after you get inside. Thank you. And here is the room. And I think there's a window out here, but that's the view. Not much of a view. Just trying to kill the mosquitoes out here. Try to shake this. Try to shake this. Okay.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And the problem is
I'll call you. Okay. Thank you. Moving out of the hotel, there is my ride, and I booked an Airbnb in Gurgaon. It's like it's like an hour ride. I hope it's not the same as the last time with Photoshop pictures. Still on the way to Gurgaon. It's actually pretty far from Delhi. We should reach there within an hour. just reached the place, and this is the Airbnb that I have booked. This is the place. This is like a self check-in. This is 202, so that's straight out there. So here's the place. Get the kitchen here, and I think there's just like a sitting room, living area. There's a window. A lady staring at me, and here's the bedroom. There's another window. There's another window. I guess you have space to dry your clothes if you choose to wash. And there's a washing machine, and here's a washroom. I feel this is much better than the last one. I'll just try to get some rest, and thankfully this time this Airbnb didn't really disappoint me. It wasn't like the last one, so I'll just get some rest. I'll leave you with a view, but there is not much of a view, just apartments everywhere. I'm trying to find my way out of these dark alleys on a bright sunny day. But oh, these two buildings are almost like kissing each other. Oh, I see a food store out here, but I'm not sure if I could find something that I would want to eat here. Keep going straight. This is where the people live. They also rent out these rooms or houses to other people. That's a little store there. No sunlight on a bright sunny summer day. Wonder what that is. Maybe some sort of a cafe. Wires and buildings touching each other. These are probably the electric meters. Still trying to find my way out, at the same time trying to find a place to eat. But my hope is running low because I don't see any place to eat now. Some transaction going on here. People who don't like the sun, they can always come here. Still trying to find my way out of these dark alleys. Should I go right or left? Maybe left. Maybe right. I hope this leads me out of this place. All dark alleys everywhere. So it's almost like a maze. Right or left? Probably left. I see some hope. There's sunlight. It's almost like I was lost into a world without sunlight for days, and now I am hopefully able to go out of these dark alleys and make my way out to the world. I was able to make my way out of those dark alleys, and I found this place to eat. Let's see what I can find here. So I just found this little place once I came out of the dark alleys, and this is called khichdi. That's typical Indian food, and that's chai. So I'll just taste it and see how it tastes like. That's pretty simple. It's not too salty, not too spicy. I think it's just simple basic food out here. I'm in one of the most notorious places in Delhi. It's called Thieves Market. You find all the stolen goods out here. You have to be careful every moment in this place because you don't know when they're gonna target your phone or your wallet.
You're from Russia? New York? Where are you from?
Okay. here.